Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever wondered if technology could one day see what's inside your mind? Well, researchers are getting closer than ever to decoding visual images directly from brain activity. A new AI model called MEIcoder is making huge strides in this fascinating field. Reconstructing images from brain signals is incredibly difficult. Scientists often have very limited data, recording from only a small number of neurons. Previous AI methods struggled with this, producing blurry images or even hallucinating details that weren't actually there. To solve this, researchers developed MEIcoder, which uses a brilliant approach based on most exciting inputs, or MEIs. Think of an MEI as the specific, unique image that makes a single brain cell fire the most. It's that neuron's absolute favorite pattern. MEIcoder first figures out the favorite pattern for every neuron it's listening to. Then it combines these patterns, weighted by the real-time activity of each neuron, to build the final image. And the results are truly stunning. In side-by-side comparisons, MEIcoder's reconstructions are far more detailed and faithful to the original images than other advanced methods. You can clearly see how it captures distinct shapes and features where others produce a vague blur. This performance is especially strong in the realistic, data-scarce situations that neuroscientists face every day. The researchers confirmed that these most exciting inputs were the main driver of the model's success. When they conducted an ablation study, essentially removing the MEIs from the system, the reconstruction quality dropped dramatically. They also investigated how many neurons are needed to get a clear picture. Amazingly, MEIcoder can generate high-fidelity images using signals from as few as 1,000 to 2,500 neurons. This is a massive breakthrough, as recording from thousands of brain cells is an extreme technical challenge. So, to recap, the new MEIcoder method uses the favorite pattern of individual neurons to reconstruct what an animal is seeing with remarkable accuracy. Its ability to work well with limited data represents a huge leap forward for the field. What could this mean for the future? This technology could become the foundation for advanced brain-computer interfaces, perhaps one day helping to restore a form of vision for the blind. It also provides a powerful new tool for scientists to finally decode the complex language of the brain. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.